Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev and today I have something really unique on my channel, and this is a YUNZII AL65 aluminum mechanical keyboard, and this keyboard is really unique. First of all, this is a 68% layout in fully aluminum case. So you don't have F rows, but you have arrow keys, and immediately from the how this keyboard appearing from the box, you can see that you have 75% of the keycaps as a black double shot PBT keycaps, but on the right side you have a transparent set of keycaps. But if you don't like it, for example, you have another set of keycaps just to change to the full black, or you have another set of keycaps gray with a gray accent and with macOS legends on the keycaps if you want to use this keyboard with your macOS devices, right? As I mentioned, this is a fully YUNZII aluminum case, but now we are coming to the most unique part of this keyboard, and this back side of the case. And this is a real piece of beauty. Let me switch it on so you will be able to see this RGB, this full case of RGB shine through, right? So on the back side you have this, they call it Hall effect, but please do not change it or do not miss it with the Hall effect switches. This is a classical mechanical keyboard with the classical mechanical switches, nothing related to Hall effect or magnetic, right? But the case itself is kind of hollow inside, and you can see how it shines through, and it's real cool. I mean, you can check how it looks like on my desk and how it may look on your desk. And I would say that this design is really great. Also, you have a USB-C port and you have a switch between wireless 2.4, wired and Bluetooth connection, which means this keyboard can be connected to 5 different devices or in a 5 different way, through the cable, through the Bluetooth, 3 channels, and through the 2.4 wireless dangle if you need this, right? Also, of course, inside the box you will have a cable, you will have a pretty detailed manual on different languages, and 2 spare switches. Let's start from the keycaps, and as I already mentioned, we have this double shot PBT keycaps. They are not shine through, at least some of them are not shine through, because this right part, they are like fully transparent keycaps. They are pretty standard, high quality, nothing special I can say about it. Let's move on to the switches, and regarding the switches, you can have 2 options. One option is YUNZII Milk version 2 linear switch or Gateron Zero linear switch. And take into account that on my switch I can see YUNZII logo or YUNZII brand name. I assume this is a YUNZII mechanical linear switch prelude. Pretty nice, little bit creamy sound. Under the switch we have a PCB positioning plate with a flex cut, and this keyboard is gasket mounted, so theoretically we should see some flexibility, but no, I cannot see any flex. Maybe on the bottom side closer to the space bar we have some flex, but really minimal. Under the switch I can see a south facing RGB, which means that you can use a side printed legend if you like them. And we have some level of switch pad, right, and foams inside, which means that keyboard should sound pretty nice, but we will check this in a minute. From the bottom side we don't have any legs because it's aluminum case. I can see that we have 6 screws, so theoretically it should be easy to unscrew this keyboard and check what we have inside. And inside, to support this great RGB, this really bright full RGB, we have 8000 mAh battery, which is a lot for 68% mechanical keyboard. Okay guys, during the review I decided that I can open the case. It's pretty easy. It's really only 6 screws, so this keyboard is friendly for modding if you want this, right? So let's check what we have inside. Okay, inside the case we have a bottom aluminum part and 2 batteries, each 4000 mAh, and altogether it's 8, right? On the top part I can see we have this plastic interim part, right, to provide this RGB glow from the case itself. We have this gasket mounted approach. You see this silicone gaskets or pads, right? And the only one problem I can say is that this this wireless, wired and Bluetooth connection switch is somehow attached to the case itself, right? And it's a little bit hard to disassemble fully. So as you can see, a PCB sandwich is very well made. We have internal foam, we have another layer of foam under PCB, we have this transparent layer for PCB protection, and we have the separate plate for the USB-C and a switch, which is a little bit out for the architecture from my point of view. But anyway, if you're not gonna to open this keyboard, you're not gonna deal with it. Okay guys, now when we saw what is inside this case, with this aluminum CNC case, right, it's time to do a sound test. So let's check how this keyboard is sound. Okay guys, I hope you like the sound, because this is a real creamy sound, and it's not surprised because with this proper structure of this PCB sandwich and aluminum case and flex cut switch plate, it should be sound like this. So sound is pretty good. One more benefit of this keyboard is that it's compatible with QMK or via WebDriver, so you don't need to download any suspicious software to your PC to be able to make a settings of RGB or macro or any other settings related to mechanical keyboard. But on the moment of recording of this video, I was not able to find a JSON file what we need to use with via WebDriver, so I'm not able to show you how to do it this time. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoy of the keyboard itself. This is a really unique approach to the case, to the aluminum case. It looks just amazing on a desk with, or on a desk pad, right, together with a gaming PC and other stuff. So if you're looking for something really nice from the feel and look point of view, just check this out. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and I will see you next time.